Okay, so I did two very small swatches. This is a double crochet, this one is in a single crochet. So the first step is going to be to actually cut the crochet. The important thing is that you have to get in between these stitches so that you're not cutting this loop in here. Do not want to cut those loops. So take our time, have some really sharp scissors, and just begin to snip across. Okay, so that's the first step. So go ahead and snip all the way across and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so now that we have separated our two pieces, this is the top, this is the bottom, this is the portion that I'd like to salvage. So as you see, you have these little pieces of thread hanging out. Just go across and pull these out. So go ahead and do that and I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, so here we are with our shortened piece. Now, what we're going to do is reattach our yarn. Last piece. Right here at the end, just being very careful to bring in these two loops. Okay, so just reattach your yarn here. However you reattach yarn, just go ahead and reattach it now. Okay, so the same piece, you can just go straight across and just do your double crochet straight across, and as you see, it's shortened. It's in one piece. That's all you have to do. So this is the yarn that we detached, and you can still see the loose ends here. And then this is the newly reattached. Maybe next time I'll use a different color yarn, but this is what we reattached, and it's just like the original. I ran out of yarn here, but that's what it looks like. So this was double crochet. So on this one, we're going to do the same, but with single crochet. And as you can see, the single crochet is pretty tight, so you have to really take your time going across to cut these pieces. So I'll do that now. I just kind of pull them apart and snip straight across, just making sure I don't hit those loops where I have to reattach. And this is a 100% cotton yarn, so it's pretty sturdy. So just continue to snip across and I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, so now we have detached our two pieces. This is the single crochet, and again you have the little loose pieces here, so you just want to pull these little pieces out. Just go straight across and pull them out. Very careful. Okay, so just finishing pulling these loose ends out, and there it is. So you can reattach it and go across. You can leave it like this. I would recommend reattaching and going back across just to make sure that it's secure.